Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, and good day to you all. In today's digital world, brand reputation is synonym with customer experience, including the quality of customer care. This is Avinash Mishra, Senior Fast Track Solution Architect for Dynamics 365 Apps and Services. I welcome you today in the session of Modernize the Customer Experience. In this session today, we have two agenda points. Number one, modernize your customer experience through Microsoft Digital Contact Center platform. And second, deploy the solutions through Success by Design. Customer service expectations have never been higher. Before we start, let's take a look at trends that demonstrate how service experience directly impacts the bottom line of your business. It has been shown that 80% of people are more likely to purchase from a company they feel engages with them in a personal way. And 96% of consumers will sever their relationship after a bad customer experience. 87% admit to being concerned over sharing personal information over the phone with a brand. And 55% of contact centers do not have the collaboration tools necessary to help resolve customers' questions. And lastly, 53% do not have the visibility of information to help agents understand the customer context. Making an emotional connection with your customer is critical to building loyalty and increase retention. And your service and support teams sit in a prime spot to enhance that connection for your company. Even things go wrong and customers needs help. Also, let's have a look into the challenges faced by business leaders to meet the asked service needs. First one, innovation to grow revenue while providing services. Secondly, to continue retain customers and increase the brand loyalty. Third one is privacy and security. Next to enhance agents' productivity on higher CSAT and reduced cost. Lastly, automation of routine operations. And the answers to these is evolve contact centers. When we glance at traditional contact center experience, it is very voice centric and call centers as opposed to contact centers. Desire of best of breed is good, but also results in fragmentation, which in turn leads to complexity and cost to make this work. There are also security vulnerabilities with such multi-vendor solutions. That said, cloud has brought the digital transformation with unified communication services like Teams, Zoom, WebEx, contact center services, along with CRM, all on one cloud. And top, they are powered by robust telephony and contact center AI, which is also cloud driven. Let's look at how all of this comes together for customers, business, and agents with Microsoft Digital Contact Center platform. An open, extensible, and collaborative contact center solution designed to deliver seamless customer journey. Moving from left to right in this screen, customers reaching through a variety of channels and the all-in-one digital contact center, connecting those customers through agents, providing all the tools and capabilities. Let's see, when a request comes in from various channels, first thing is they get routed to the right team or right agent with unified routing. Then case management helps agents for data capture and process flows to resolve the case. Knowledge management is to provide required articles and documents for the associated case. Providing additional insights like sentiments, customer history, additional data points add to respond to the contact centers in connected way. To augment, We have guided orchestrations for customer journey, predictive target to track and analyze customer behaviors to personalize interactions, bringing together all customer data on one platform secured with biometric authentication and fraud protection. With all different capabilities, agents are equipped with AI, real time sentiment analysis, translation and transcriptions, and agent scripts, speech to text, smart assist, and Teams collaboration. Please note here that Microsoft Teams is an integral to the platform in two ways. Number one, it is a collaboration tool for agents to engage with SMEs. And secondly, as a channel for internal customers, as employees engaging with internal help desks like HR. Okay, this slide here lists out the benefits of Microsoft Digital Contact Center. The contact center is an essential touch point for organizations and their customers. The contact center often plays a significant role throughout the customer journey. And as industry has evolved, modern challenges have also arisen for the contact center. With digitizations, customers are increasing their demands on service with a desire to have connections available at any time and from any location. As these demands grow, the burden on agents is also arising, causing many to burn out and simply quit. Additionally, while digital transformation has led to significant benefits, it has also led to the proliferation of cybercrime, with everything from account takeovers, hacked systems, and identity theft to name a few mode of attacks. Also, technology at times is leading to a complex maze of integrated systems, which are not always seamless and even cause problems by complicating the experiences of agents and admins. All of these concerns ultimately lead to mounting costs, which have to be addressed because of the criticality of the contact center. Microsoft plus Nuance have joined forces to create a vision for a contact center solution that addresses the current needs of the industry. In this section and following slides, we'll explore the four tenets of digital contact center to do more. And those are more ways to say hello, show them you know them, make agents work effortlessly, and lastly, we'll look on run your business fast and lean. Right? The first one, more ways to say hello. The average customers uses multiple channels to communicate with a brand. The Microsoft Digital's contact center platform makes it easy to meet consumers in these channels they use every day, from voice to digital messaging. With self-service and automation, you can empower customers to take care of their needs quickly and easily. And you can scale your teams and automate repetitive tasks. Self-service capability is a critical feature, especially in this post-pandemic world. With Microsoft Power Virtual Agents, you can automate routine conversations by creating powerful chatbots that can converse with customers intelligently and efficiently. With voice channels that integrated with Dynamics 365 customer service digital contact center is fully complete all in one omni-channel experience. Nuanced conversational IVR and virtual agents enhances the experiences as well. This is critical. Connecting with the right agent is crucial to provide the first time right experience. As customers are engaging through their channels of choice, you can detect the context of the situation through real-time transcription, language translation, and customer sentiment, and automatically assign an incoming inquiry to the best suited agent. Using AI and rules, unified routing intelligently identifies the most qualified agent for the situation based on the skill set, capacity, and workload for the effort estimation. Unified routing also takes the agent's current engagement on different channels into account before any new workload is assigned. You can route as well as prioritize service requests to create a unified view of workforce utilization across multiple channels, which helps to optimize work distribution among agents. Next one is make your customer feel connected. Show them that you know them, right? This slide refers to nuanced features including customer journey orchestration, not the CDP or Dynamics 365 marketing. Nuance Gatekeeper enables biometric voice authentication, improving agent and customer experience and avoid repetitive authentication query. It helps identify potential fraud and disrupt attempts through biometric detection that combines the risk engine, anti-spoofing technology, and fraud data. The platform together transactional behavior and demographic data to get a 360-degree view of customer and discover actionable insights. And the most important, to make your agents work effortlessly, right? So improving agents' productivity and their experience will enable them to do more. With teams embedded within the agent's dashboard of Dynamics 365 customer workspace, you can easily collaborate with co-workers and SMEs by starting a Teams chat or link an existing chat to a record without switching or leaving the application. We also offer a 360-degree end-to-end view of the customer history and interactions in one easy to view dashboards. It enables agents to manage and record customers' requests seamlessly from any channel, even while handling multiple sessions at a time. With knowledge management, agents can quickly search and update relevant knowledge articles while working on a case or use a smart assist to deliver AI suggested knowledge articles. And that's similar cases without having to switch applications. Contextual information has always facilitated agents to service customers faster. Multi-session interface enable agents to quickly toggle between apps and channels and collaborate with colleagues without losing context and efficiently manage cases. They can fully access relevant knowledge article and AI-driven content, and all this leads to reduce average handling time and more effective agents. And in return, our customer get consistent and seamless service. Our goal is to provide collaborative solution that span across the entire customer service ecosystem. For example, when a customer reaches out to an organization to resolve an issue and is connected with an agent, the agent is armed with an array of customer service productivity tools to resolve the issue. However, if the agent needs additional support, they can also directly reach out to their colleague within the contact center for assistance. If the case is beyond the expertise of contact center, the agent still, without switching app, can have a simple consult with a product engineer and diverse skill for more complicated case. The final landscape that completes the ecosystem experiences when agents must work with their external partners to resolve the related issues. As Microsoft, we are uniquely positioned to deliver this seamless experience using some of our core assets. These includes Microsoft Teams to power real-time collaboration, AI to easily manage context, leveraging the Power Platform, and finally, Microsoft's approach to data security and ownership. While serving our customers, it is important to discover opportunities of service improvements, right? Dynamics 365 customer service platform helps you to do that. To have access to CSAT, sentiment scores, resolve time, average length of time in conversation, hold time, speed time to answer, and much more. You can even drill down to view individual agent performance and calls to overall group KPIs and check out conversational styles. Using AI to surface insights, you can find emerging topics and trends based on the conversations. And outcome is, though all these features, both supervisors and agents can make better decisions and improve customer satisfaction. With better visibility to agent performance, management can even scale operations to demand. Okay, the priority of backend is to run your business fast and lean always. So, the Microsoft Digital Contact Center platform simplifies implementation, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. It is a single unified platform on Elastic Cloud to automatically adjust to accommodate fluctuations. Dataverse is a single data store for all different types of data segments. Choosing from no code, low code, and pro code tools and services, if you see, the funnel starts broader with possibility to build as many apps themselves with low code and get more focus to custom pages and apps as they move on the path of pro code and professional services. With all of this in Microsoft, as we continue to integrate nuance deeper into digital contact center platform, you can see how all the capabilities are simply part of all in one solution. Your customers, agents, and finally the backend team. Okay, now when we understand the tools and capabilities to modernize the customer experience, successful implementation and its deployment is equally critical to realize the business value faster. In this section, I'll provide an overview of success by design, which is the framework that Fast Track and its qualified partners use to help drive Dynamics 365 implementation successfully for our customers. Based on the learnings of thousands of implementations, the hallmark for success by design is to early detection and proactive guidance and a sound solution architecture that is aligned to product roadmap, which also helps results in successful implementation that enables customers to maximize their investment on Dynamics 365 platform. Importantly, Fast Track doesn't have a special lease on success by design. Instead, it is our goal to make success by design available widely. Microsoft often gets a question that isn't success by design is just a methodology? The simple answer is no. But let's unpack this. Methodology comes in all shapes and sizes and is used by our community, which implements to analyze, design, develop, test, and deploy Dynamics 365 solutions. Every methodology uses a structured approach and provides key deliverables and arrive at a critical milestone within a goal of bringing solution live. But the methodology itself does a little to guarantee that resulting solution is roadmap aligned or that it follows recommended patterns and practices. Success by design is a governance framework that is created by Microsoft, which is tailored specifically for Dynamics 365 implementations, which represents key questions, guidance, and thinking. This allows the project team to assess and align implementation with Dynamics 365 roadmap and recommended patterns and guidance for implementing solutions. So it goes beyond methodology, and in this session, it can be used alongside whatever methodology project team use for a better result at the end. How success by design works is relatively simple. As the project lifecycle unfolds from analysis to design, to develop into testing and deployment, a series of workshops, what we call reviews, as well as discrete topics leads to questions that explores both project and technical aspect of the engagement. The response to those questions resulting in the findings and recommendations that are based on experience and outcomes of literally thousands of implementations. Let's look into this a little more. Success by design always starts with solution blueprint review, which is one of the two mandatory workshops for reviews. This is the first formal opportunity to take a closer look at the project and the technical solution in its early stages. It also offers early understanding of the issues and risks that may face problem in the project with an opportunity to formally address them with help of key project stakeholders including the customer. In solution blueprint review, findings may enforce going deeper in a specific area, and for this, implementation workshops are designed to do that. Lastly, the Go Live Readiness Workshop is one another mandatory workshop in Success by Design. It assists the readiness of project team to go live. Let's add some context to these workshops. Success by Design is based on the key project artifacts. Look at this slide. Early on in the project lifecycle, the solution blueprint relies on the review of project plan, requirement document, fit gap analysis, and beginning of solution design, which might include the design of core components or integration data. Without these artifacts, it's likely that resulting findings and recommendations may be incomplete and may need of doing solution blueprint review second time. That's fine, actually, and sometimes it is necessary. Findings and recommendations coming out of solution blueprint review always governs which implementation workshop may be leveraged going forward. This is a key. Let's look at with an example. If finding coming out of solution blueprint review, maybe performance testing is not included in the scope. The project solution team builds a 4,000 user call center solution, which includes heavy integration to legacy systems and at least one complex customization that is deemed as must-have business for the business. Following this example, it's appropriate to schedule a solution performance workshop. The customer's view is that Dynamics 365 should be performant on its own, and this is at least a reasonable expectation. The delivery of solution performance workshop will also be a good opportunity to educate the project team on the topic at the same time to double click on how customizations can actually impact solution performance above and beyond the Dynamics 365 platform itself. Let's pause for a second. Beyond this example, the point is that any implementation workshop schedule should be based on actual solution blueprint review findings with the understanding to diving into specific areas, whether it be a solution performance, integration, data modeling, application lifecycle management, security, and you name it. It will also be helpful to the project team in addressing known potential project and technical risks. Beside the solution blueprint review, as we talked about, the Go Live Readiness Review is one of the other mandatory workshops. In fact, you can think of Solution Blueprint Review and Go Live Readiness Workshop are two bookends of Success by Design framework. With the Go Live Readiness Review, we obviously take a closer look at the test results for Go Live plans to determine the readiness of project team to bring the solution into the hands of user. With success of design created by Microsoft that has a knowledge which has applied to a specific project would be helpful to the project. Microsoft also acknowledged the need to surface micro trends that implements multiple projects. Accordingly, If yours is a fast track eligible project, either supported directly by fast track or by our qualified partners, on top, documenting detailed findings, fast track driven projects make use of Microsoft's Success by Design tool to summarize the project health across 7 categories and some 30 success measures. Let's take a look on those now. Architecture, project governance, product, implementation, fit for purpose, competency, and support. The way this works, after success by design, review, or some other project compelling event, Microsoft or the qualified partner access the success by design tool and update the success measures for the project. Update made by a simple red, yellow, or green status across any of these success measures, including entering any other useful details that benefit for tracking success measures. On completion, they provide a glance view of the project health. And when you consider 10, 20, and hundreds of projects, Microsoft and the partner can be gained to spot trends of the problem areas or the challenges that have been faced in multiple projects. For example, when we have identified that there have been ongoing problem in the area of application lifecycle management, the success measure review allows Microsoft and partner to dig deeper in asking the ALM problem in the project. Team competency issue, or is that a product problem or something else? This digging deeper allows us to understand and address these issues on a long-term benefit for not just a single project, but for all our customers going forward. Great. By now, we understand enough about success by design, but the question is, you may have, where can I learn more? The details of success by design methodology is well documented and available for you to consume at your own pace on Microsoft Learn portal. This is quite a helpful training targeting various roles, project managers, lead consultants, and solution architects. I highly recommend you to go through these training courses to gain deeper knowledge on success by design. In the journey of learning, I would like to share a book, Dynamics 365 Implementation Guide, which is a collection of experience gained through thousands of Dynamics 365 implementation worldwide. This book is freely available for you to download from the link on the screen. Awesome. That brings us to the end of presentation, and I sincerely appreciate your time today. Thank you so much.